Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Director Carson. For the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 9. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Guilt tripping. There's Island. There's Firefly. Oh look, there's Sonic and Tails are having a flyboarding.
Not bad. My turn.
Oof. Sonic, you alright?
Really?
You look cool even when you're making a complete fool of yourself.
Alright, load him up. Hurry up and nobody gets hurt.
Where are those guys?
Whoa, you gotta stop those jerks.
Sonic thinks they're robbery.
Ooh, these delightful young men were just ransacking our poor village and taking all our possessions.
They probably need them more than we do, being bandits living on the land and all.
Yeah, so back off, little guy. This is what we do. Oh yeah? Well, this is what we do. This isn't over. I broke your down!
Thank you,
Huh,
strange
they went far away,
Saved
huh?
us Gogobas from the scourge of weasel bandits and scattered all our belongings carelessly across the dirt.
Sorry, I'll help pick them up. Oh no, we wouldn't want to trouble you. I'll do it myself. It probably won't cause my chronic back pain to flare out too much. Oh, no!
But don't worry about her. She'll pass out from the pain soon. In the meantime, the rest of us will throw our valiant heroes a victory feast.
Thanks, but we really gotta...
Oh, it's okay. We know how busy you are. Within a few months, this will turn into compost, and we'll be able to grow new food to eat.
Well, I guess we could stay for a quick bite.
Wonderful!
Aren't you guys gonna eat?
Oh no, we'd much rather watch you enjoy your food.
That's the only nourishment we need. That was a ground of joy. These Gogobas are so nice.
Yeah, so why do I feel so terrible?
Terrible? You're not terrible, Sonic. You're cool.
That was really delicious. We loved it. Loved it, but we should probably get going.
Of course. Why would you want to stay with us after we made you this incredible meal?
No, we do want to stay. It's just that...
Wonderful! Allow us to prepare your accommodations.
They made a bed for Sonic Tails.
That's our new friend.
Sounds like relax, huh?
Blankets in the village.
Maybe this won't be so bad.
The children in the nursery can huddle together for warmth.
Oh. Hey, the Gogobas are finally gone. Let's sneak out of here.
Can we get you something?
Whoa, where did you come from? We thought everyone was asleep.
How could we sleep when we've got guests to take care of?
Actually, it's guests of whom to take care. We can't sleep.
Okay.
Of whom?
We really
Done.
should be on our way.
Go. We'll be fine.
Until the next inevitable bandit attack.
It's okay. Just promise someday you'll come back and visit.
The smoking crater where our village used to be.
Wait! I got heirloom tomatoes and some really nice pastrami. I'll pack you sandwiches. Tails, these guys are nuts.
We gotta get out of here.
But how? We're stuck here as long as there's a threat from those bandits.
That's it. If we can create a defense system for the village, the Gogobas will be safe and we can leave.
Yeah, but what if I'm
Oh, they're setting up a trap made by Sonic Tails.
You no longer
Good
need to
plan,
protect you from
Sonic
invaders.
Tails.
And the best part is, it's totally foolproof.
Goodbye, friends. Oh, come on.
Seriously?
I'm so sorry.
I think that's
wish
too
I
much
had a better
trap.
excuse.
I think.
But it's hard to concentrate while all the blood is rushing to my head.
We'll just hang here until we don't know.
And our bodies will reflect our emotional state.
We can totally fight Eggman or Bandits, but how do we fight guilt?
With more guilt. Follow my lead.
More guilt?
Hey,
Like
Chief,
more
it's been great and
guilty?
all, but unfortunately, we have to go now.
But we haven't finished stitching your friendship quilt.
Alright. Well, we could stay, but our plants back at home. Without us there to water them, oh well. I suppose it's their own fault for being plants.
No, you have to go. Far be it from us to let the well-being of our entire society hold you back from watering your precious house plants.
No, your well-being is much more important. I mean, if the plants need water so badly, they can walk to the kitchen and get it themselves.
Oh no, we just met. But you've known your plants for a long time. Go to them. We'll be fine.
But in all that time, the plants have never given us anything. Except oxygen.
And nutrition.
All right, you win. We can't keep you here. You should go.
Seriously?
Yeah, go. Leave us. Goodbye forever.
Hey, thanks for everything, Chief.
Call to let us know you made it home okay. Otherwise, we'll just sit here and worry.
They'll be fine. They'll stay.
I thought we'd never get out of it.
Well, at least we're finally back home.
Welcome home!
What? I thought they're gonna stay in their village. Now they're gonna come into Sonic's home?
Or any cold beverages or snacks.
But don't worry, we made do.
What are you doing here?
We figured that if we were here, you could keep protecting us. And in exchange, we can water those houseplants of yours. Where are those, by the way?
Ah,
And that's not all we've done for you.
We opened all your mail.
and we uncanned all your food.
Next, we'll check all your messages.
Give me that.
You have 4 messages.
Hey, Sonic, it's Dr. Eggman.
Wait a minute. That force. Was that Dr. Eggman? Oh no.
Stop me. Hey, I'm here at the dam. Just waiting on you now. It's blowing up any second now. I just wouldn't want to miss it. Oh, sorry, butt dial. Didn't mean to call you. All right, it was a trick. I was going to ambush you. And you didn't even have the decency to show up. That's really rude, Sonic.
Wow, that guy can't take a hint.
Well, look who it is. Mr. I don't have time to show up to Dr. Eggman's ambush.
This is a really bad time, Egghead.
No problem. I'll come back later when you're ready. Just kidding. Robot, attack!
What, is he joking? And then to attack with his robots? What a bad joke.
Would you mind?
Oh, pardon me. I didn't mean to get in the way of your deranged evil rampage.
Out of the way. This isn't working. We can't keep fighting around these Gongolas.
Maybe we should fight over them.
That's what I'm talking about.
What, they're flyboarding? Nice tricks, Tails. And Sonic.
Ah, you gotta be kidding me.
I suppose it was our own fault for being in the way.
Yeah, you know what? It was your fault. I usually win these things.
Hey, are you trying to steal our new teammates?
New teammates.
Yeah, We couldn't have won this battle without the Go-Go Bus.
And if they joined up with you, it'd be like you won this battle. You'd be unstoppable.
Yeah, I would, wouldn't I?
We wish to stay with our protector, Sonic.
Fine, let poor Eggman suffer the humiliation of defeat after defeat, even though you can help him.
Well,
Come on, Crowley. What's an evil genius have to do to get you to switch sides?
we pretty much bend a knee to the nearest tyrant who wants to enslave us.
Done and done. Follow me. Son of losers! Marching unison, please. I like to organize...
That's not nice to Sonic.
Hey, do you have any unsalted butter? It's not a problem if you don't. I'll just have an allergic reaction that'll make me smell like feet. But don't worry about it.
Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 9, Guilt Tripping the End. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe, so I'll make some more videos. So, goodbye.